Hi. On the config page of MECHA, for both C1 and C2 controllers, there is one button for data backup and one for data restore. Data backup is recommended, for example, before factory reset, before firmware update, if you haven't done one in a while, or at a time when you simply like the way MECHA works, especially if you have created presets and customized the config settings, so that you can restore MECHA to a certain state later. We have already published videos about factory reset for both C1 and C2 controllers. This operation can often solve functionality problems, as it formats the internal memory of MECHA. When clicking the Backup Data button, MECHA creates a download archive that contains all of the MECHA's settings and files, except the firmware. An MBK file has been downloaded. Now if you want to perform a factory reset, we recommend that you watch the video about factory reset for the controller you are using. In our case, restoring data without changing anything will not show any change. Therefore, before restoring, we will change a few settings and delete some presets. Let's choose STA instead of AP plus STA, E1 instead of Auto, and disable loud beep at warning. Then click the Apply button to save the new settings. The list of presets is on the row page. We cannot delete factory presets, nor presets assigned to buttons. But custom presets can be deleted. To delete a preset, select it and load it, just to make sure you delete the preset to be deleted. Then click Delete, then OK. Let's go back to the config page. Restoring data is the process of copying data from a backup and turning it back into presets, settings, and system files, overwriting the current ones. Click the Restore Data button. Choose the file saved earlier. Then click the OK button. Wait a few seconds, or until you hear a few beeps. It's that simple. Notice that the settings are restored to their initial values. Default mode is AP plus STA. Rotator 1 is Auto. Rotator 2 is Auto. Loud beep at warning is enabled. And on the row page, our custom presets are back in the list. Similarly, you can backup and restore presets only, if you wish. To do this, without selecting anything in the list of presets, click the Export button, then confirm by clicking OK. An MPS file containing all the presets has been downloaded. The download process depends on the device and browser used, and also on the browser settings. We are using a computer. You may have noticed the dynamic IP address. And now let's change something. As before, we will delete the two custom presets. To import the presets exported earlier, click Import, then choose the MPS file. You know which presets are imported, as the letter I appears next to the preset name. The presets assigned to buttons 1, 2, and 3 have been exported and imported as well. Thank you for watching.